got a bit of a curve on it. Okay. Hi guys, I was out in the garage varnishing my next rubber band powered boat and spotted I got this stored. One of my fairly recent rubber band powered cars in the scheme of things, probably last year's model, made out of a plastic set. Those you stick in the ground, and then these rings you try and throw round them. Is it Kite? Something like that it's called. Anyway, that wheel needs fixing. I thought I'd see if I could do something different with it. Still rubber band powered, but see if I can apply the rubber band power in a different way. I won't say any more yet. I'll do it and we'll see if it works. So if you want the build for this, I'll put the original video in the video description, a link to it, and probably put it up on the top of the screen here somewhere. Right, I'll modify it and we'll see if it works with my new idea. So this is my idea. Torsion rather than tension. Bit like a mousetrap. In fact, very much like a mousetrap. So I've wound the rubber band up a bit. So it's got some tension there. Got a loop on the end of this bit of string, kite string as it is. And I've turned the car over while I've been talking. That's the way up it's supposed to be. That makes a bit more sense. Yeah. So, loop on the hook, wind it up, that pulls that back. A little bit too long actually, that's going to touch the floor, but we'll see if it moves. A little bit. Give it a bit of help. Almost is the word. If I just lift it up, that's what we want to happen. But it hasn't got quite enough power. So I've either got to wind that round a couple more times or change the size of the axle or add more rubber bands, but it's already crushing it up as it is. What I've done is shortened the arm a bit, so it's got a shorter arm which is more power, more leverage. The only problem we've got is the car doesn't go straight. Oh, that's annoying. When I said I made the arms shorter, I just pushed it through the rubber bands a little bit more. So that bit's shorter, and then I cut the other end off so it didn't actually hit the ground. So let's try that again. I'll point it left quite a bit because it was running off to the right. Yep, it works. Well, that makes a change. Yeah, got a bit of a curve on it. Okay. So when I said I put some tension on it, we started off with the rubber bands just round there like that. Then I put this through, turned it round. A bit of string is getting caught up. So that's the tension that's stored on it in torsion method. That's the power. Torsion is when you twist it. I've just done that the wrong way round. Turn the car over and it'll still work. Yeah. So that goes over the hook. Wind it up. As we wind it up, it's pulling the arm. And if we let it go, away it goes. Summary time. The type of car is fairly irrelevant. The important thing here is the fact I'm using torsion to drive the car forwards rather than tension, I suppose. And I've achieved that just by putting a wooden stick through some rubber bands and winding them up like that, and a bit of string round the back axle.